What if I told you that you can build a beautiful, compact farmhouse barndominium for exactly $100,000? Not a shell, not just materials, but a complete move-in ready home with style and character. Today I am showing you exactly what $100,000 gets you. Real square footage, honest features, and the smart design choices that make it possible. Stay until the very end because I am revealing a company that specializes in building these affordable barndos at prices that will shock you. Let's build your dream home on a real budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The $100,000 barndominium is not a myth. It is absolutely possible to build a stunning compact farmhouse barndo for this exact price in 2025. But you need to understand what is realistic, what choices maximize your money, and how to avoid the traps that blow budgets. I have done extensive research on real $100,000 barndominium builds, talked to builders who specialize in budget construction, and analyze completed projects to give you honest information. This is not about kit-only prices that mislead you. This is about complete, turnkey homes you can actually move into. We are covering 5 key areas today. First, what size and layout you realistically get for $100,000. Second, the features and finishes included at this price point. Third, the smart design choices that keep costs down without sacrificing style. Fourth, where you can and cannot cut corners. And fifth, I am revealing a builder who delivers these homes at affordable prices. Before we go further, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We create honest content to help you build affordably and smartly. Smash that like button if you are serious about building on a budget. Now let's talk about what $100,000 actually builds. Let me start with the most important question. How much house do you actually get for $100,000? The honest answer depends on several factors, but I am giving you real numbers from completed 2025 projects. The realistic square footage range is 800 to 1,200 square feet for a complete turnkey barndominium at $100,000 total. Most builds land between 900 and 1,000 square feet. This assumes you already own land, or the land cost is separate from your $100,000 construction budget. With a budget of $100,000, assuming you have property cleared, prepped, and ready, you would most likely be looking at a 1,000 square foot barndominium. Why the size? The math is straightforward. Complete barndominium construction costs $100 to $125 per square foot for affordably finished builds. At $100 per square foot, your $100,000 gives you exactly 1,000 square feet. At $110 per square foot, you get 909 square feet. At $120 per square foot, you get 833 square feet. This is the reality of budget construction. What does 900 to 1,000 square feet give you? A well-designed floor plan at this size includes 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 to 2 bathrooms, and an open concept kitchen dining living area. For a family of 4, a layout with 1 master bedroom, 2 smaller bedrooms, 1 main bathroom, and open kitchen/dining/living combo totals 950 square feet. This is a functional family home, not just a tiny house. The layout strategy for maximum efficiency focuses on open concept living. The main living space combines kitchen, dining, and living room into one flowing area. This eliminates hallways that waste square footage and makes the home feel much larger than it is. The master bedroom is typically 120 to 150 square feet. 2 additional bedrooms are 100 to 120 square feet each. 1 bathroom is 50 to 75 square feet, or you can include 2 smaller bathrooms of 40 to 50 square feet each. Simple rectangular footprints are essential. A 30 by 30 foot square gives you 900 square feet. A 25 by 40 foot rectangle gives you 1,000 square feet. These simple shapes minimize material waste, reduce labor complexity, and keep costs at $100,000. Every angle, bump out, or complex roofline adds cost that pushes you over budget. Single-story construction is standard at this price point. Adding a second story or a loft increases costs significantly. However, vaulted ceilings in the main living area are possible and create dramatic vertical space without adding square footage. 12 to 14 foot ceilings make 900 square feet feel like 1,200 square feet. Now let me tell you exactly what features and finishes you get in a $100,000 compact barndominium. This is complete honest breakdown, so you know what to expect. The foundation is a concrete slab. This is the most cost-effective option and works perfectly for barndominiums. Slab foundations cost $6 to $14 per square foot for 1,000 square feet. That is $6,000 to $14,000. Most $100,000 builds budget $8,000 to $10,000 for foundation. The structure uses pre-engineered steel framing. Barndominium kit prices average $11 per square foot for just the metal building. For 1,000 square feet, the kit materials cost $11,000. Assembly labor adds another $10 to $15 per square foot, or $10,000 to $15,000. Total for shell erected and weathertight is $21,000 to $26,000. Exterior features include standard metal siding in basic colors like tan, gray, or brown. Metal roofing is included. Standard size windows and doors are included. Most $100,000 builds have 6 to 8 windows total and 1 or 2 exterior doors. A small covered front porch of 50 to 100 square feet is possible and adds curb appeal for minimal cost. Interior flooring is polished concrete, luxury vinyl plank, or basic laminate. Polished concrete or luxury vinyl plank flooring offers affordable options, with polished concrete often available at under $5 per square foot. For 1,000 square feet, flooring costs $3,000 to $5,000. Polished concrete is increasingly popular in budget barndos because it looks modern, is extremely durable, and costs less than other options. The kitchen features stock cabinets, laminate countertops, and standard appliances. Stock cabinets cost $3,000 to $6,000 for a small kitchen. Laminate countertops cost $20 to $40 per square foot, or $800 to $1,600 total. A basic appliance package with refrigerator, stove, and microwave costs $1,800 to $3,500. The sink and faucet add $200 to $500. Total kitchen budget is $8,000 to $14,000. Bathrooms include basic fixtures, fiberglass tub shower combo, or simple tile shower, stock vanity, and standard toilet. One complete bathroom costs $3,500 to $6,000. 2 bathrooms cost $7,000 to $12,000 total. Tile is used sparingly. Vinyl flooring is common, and finishes are functional rather than luxurious. Walls and ceilings feature drywall throughout bedrooms and bathrooms. Many $100,000 builds leave the main living area ceiling open with exposed beams and metal roof deck visible. This saves on drywall costs while creating an authentic barndominium look. Walls are painted in neutral colors. Budget for paint and drywall is $4,000 to $7,000. HVAC systems are basic but adequate. A small split system or window units cost $3,000 to $6,000 total for 900 to 1,000 square feet in a well-insulated metal building. This provides sufficient climate control. Spray foam insulation is worth the investment even at this budget because it dramatically improves energy efficiency. Electrical and plumbing are installed to code with basic fixtures. Electrical costs $3,000 to $5,000 for complete wiring, panel, outlets, and switches. Plumbing costs $4,000 to $7,000 for complete water, drain, and gas lines. Lighting is basic with some upgraded fixtures in key areas. What you will not get at $100,000 includes custom cabinetry, stone countertops, hardwood floors, luxury appliances, elaborate tile work, high-end fixtures, extensive covered porches, or finished garages. This is a functional starter home, not a luxury showpiece. Let me share the design strategies that make $100,000 barndominiums work beautifully without feeling cheap or cramped. Open concept is non-negotiable. Combining kitchen, dining, and living into one space eliminates walls that cost money and eat square footage. This single choice makes 900 square feet feel like 1,200 square feet. You save $2,000 to $4,000 in wall construction while gaining perceived space. Vaulted ceilings in the living area create drama. High ceilings help create an airy atmosphere, making the home feel larger than it really is. The metal structure easily supports 12 to 16-foot ceilings in the main space. This costs little extra in materials, but delivers huge visual impact. Bedrooms can have standard 8 or 9-foot ceilings to control costs. Simple rectangular footprints minimize waste. A 25 by 40-foot rectangle or 30 by 30-foot square uses materials efficiently. Every angle or jog in the floor plan adds cutting, labor, and waste that increase costs. Straightforward shapes keep you at $100,000. Strategic window placement maximizes light and views without excessive window costs. Place larger windows on main living area walls. Use smaller windows in bedrooms and bathrooms. Large windows on the front enhance the exterior's clean lines while providing natural light. 6 to 8 total windows provide adequate natural light without breaking the budget. Covered porch focus on front entry only. A 6 by 12-foot covered entry porch costs $1,000 to $2,000 and provides huge curb appeal and function. Wraparound porches or extensive covered areas push costs beyond $100,000. Save these for future additions. Interior design uses paint and lighting creatively. White or light gray walls make spaces feel larger and brighter. Strategic accent walls with inexpensive shiplap or board and batten add character for $300 to $800. Upgraded light fixtures in key areas like over the kitchen island and dining table create focal points for minimal cost. Storage solutions are built in where possible. Simple shelving in closets maximizes bedroom storage. Open shelving in kitchens eliminates upper cabinet costs while creating farmhouse style. Understair storage, if you add a loft, uses otherwise wasted space. Bathroom efficiency is critical. One well-designed bathroom serves a small family adequately. If you need 2 bathrooms, make them compact at 40 to 50 square feet each. Pocket doors save space compared to swing doors. Tub shower combos cost less than separate tubs and showers. DIY-friendly finishes reduce labor costs. Handling interior work yourself, including painting, flooring installation, and light fixture installation, can save thousands in labor costs. If you can paint, install vinyl plank flooring, and update hardware yourself, you save $5,000 to $10,000 in labor. This money goes toward better materials or increases your total square footage. Understanding where to save and where to invest is critical for successful $100,000 builds. Let me guide you through smart versus foolish economy. Never cut corners on the foundation. A proper concrete slab with adequate thickness and reinforcement is essential. Trying to save $2,000 on foundation leads to $20,000 in future repairs. Spend the $8,000 to $10,000 for quality foundation work. Never skimp on insulation. Spray foam insulation is worth the investment even on tight budgets, drastically improving energy efficiency. Trying to save $1,500 on insulation costs you double that annually in utility bills. Quality insulation pays for itself in 3 years. Never compromise on electrical and plumbing quality. Code-compliant work by licensed professionals prevents disasters. Hiring an unlicensed handyman to save $1,000 can result in electrical fires or plumbing disasters costing tens of thousands. You can economize on interior finishes. Laminate instead of stone countertops saves $3,000. Vinyl plank instead of hardwood floors saves $4,000. Stock cabinets instead of custom saves $8,000. These choices still look good and function perfectly. You can use builder-grade fixtures. Standard faucets, light fixtures, door hardware, and bathroom fixtures work fine and cost 60% less than designer options. You can upgrade these gradually after move-in. You can leave some areas unfinished initially. If your steel shell is 1,200 square feet, but you only finish 900 square feet as living space, you stay at $100,000. The remaining 300 square feet serves as garage, storage, or future expansion. Finish it in 2 to 3 years when budget allows. You could do cosmetic work yourself. Painting, installing trim, basic landscaping, and other finish work are DIY friendly. This sweat equity saves thousands that stay in your pocket or buy better materials. You cannot skip proper ventilation and moisture control. Metal buildings need proper ventilation to prevent condensation. This is non-negotiable for long-term building health. You cannot ignore local building codes and permits. Cutting corners on permits and inspections creates unfinanceable and unsellable properties. Always build to code with proper permits. Now let me reveal the company I promised that specializes in affordable compact barndominiums at the $100,000 price point. BuildMax has been in the barndominium business for over 20 years and specializes in affordable builds. They understand exactly how to deliver complete homes at budget prices without cutting critical corners. BuildMax designs floor plans specifically for budget builds, including their BM960 floor plan, which is right up the alley of a budget build. What makes BuildMax different is their complete approach. They provide stock floor plans optimized for affordable construction, connect you with experienced builders in your area who specialize in budget barndos, offer steel kit materials at competitive prices, and provide financing guidance for construction loans. This full-service approach simplifies the process and prevents costly mistakes. Their specific offerings for $100,000 builds include complete floor plans for 800 to 1,200 square foot homes, ranging from $1,300 to $2,000. These plans are designed specifically for budget construction with simple rectangular footprints, efficient layouts, and minimal material waste. They connect you with builders who have completed multiple $100,000 barndominiums and understand how to work within tight budgets. Real pricing from BuildMax projects shows that their 960 square foot floor plan built complete typically costs $96,000 to $108,000 depending on location and finish choices. Their 1,000 square foot plans come in at $95,000 to $115,000 complete. These are real numbers from actual completed builds, not theoretical estimates. Their process starts with plan selection from their affordable catalog, followed by builder connection in your area, materials sourcing and kit delivery, and construction management support throughout the build. They help with financing connections, understanding that construction loans for $100,000 projects are different from traditional mortgages. I want to be transparent. I'm not sponsored by BuildMax and receive no compensation for mentioning them. I include them because my research consistently shows they deliver quality, affordable barndominiums at fair prices. You should always get multiple bids, do your own research, and make informed decisions. But if you're looking for proven expertise in $100,000 builds, BuildMax is worth contacting. Other companies worth researching include AY Custom Home, which offers designs for under $100,000 builds, Barndominium Life, which provides kit information and builder connections, and local metal building companies in your area who may offer competitive pricing. The key is working with people who specialize in barndominiums and understand budget construction. General contractors often cannot hit $100,000 price points because they are not familiar with efficient barndo building methods. Let me bring this all together for you. Can you build a stunning compact farmhouse barndominium for exactly $100,000 in 2025? Absolutely yes. But you need realistic expectations and smart choices. You'll get 800 to 1,200 square feet, most likely around 900 to 1,000 square feet. This provides 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 to 2 bathrooms, and an open concept living area. Your finishes will be functional and attractive, but not luxurious. Stock cabinets, laminate counters, vinyl or concrete floors, and builder-grade fixtures throughout. Your design will be a simple rectangular footprint with vaulted ceilings in the main living area, creating visual drama. You will have a small covered front porch, standard windows throughout, and a complete HVAC, electrical, and plumbing system. Everything will be code compliant and properly permitted. The smart strategies that make this work include open concept living eliminating wasted space, simple building shapes minimizing material waste, DIY work on cosmetic finishes saving thousands in labor, quality foundation and insulation investments that pay long-term dividends, and working with experienced budget barndo builders who know how to deliver. What you get is a comfortable, functional, attractive home that you own outright or with minimal mortgage. Compare this to $1,500 per month apartment rent. Over 5 years, rent costs $90,000 with zero equity. Your $100,000 barndo costs $100,000 and you own it completely. This is smart, affordable housing that builds wealth. If this video helped you understand $100,000 barndominium reality, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest budget building content. Drop a comment telling me if you are planning a $100,000 build and what state you are in. I read every comment and love hearing your plans. Thanks for watching. Now go plan your affordable barndominium with realistic expectations and smart strategies. I will see you in the next video.